So whatever we are creating using DEX function, okay, whatever the column we are creating using DEX function will not pop up in your Power Query Editor. Whenever you are transforming your data, this is your transform data, and whatever you are transforming, okay, if you are transforming this data, it will not the year will not reflect in that, okay, because it's created from DEX. This is the Power Query Editor. You have to create everything here, okay. So in Power Query Editor, we're using AMP function. We are using AMP function. So see here, year is not here. Whatever we have calculated using DAX is not available here. Two things were the related function and your uh, year, date. Okay, so both are not available here because they were created using DAX function. Now you can do one more thing if you just want to if you just want to know your date, okay, so go to the add column. You can also create your age, create your year here, month, quarter, everything you can create also with the help of M function or Power Query Editor. But suppose that you didn't do with that, and you still wants to do some group by, okay, so I think it's not working. Suppose that you have to do uh, any group by. So whenever you are using a group by function, it create a table. So I'm going to the table, saying table. So cells by year, okay, and it's group by. It's saying the table name. Table name is order. Okay. Now it's saying your column name. You just want to do with the help of years. Okay. So it's year. It's again saying column name, but I just want to uh, uh, do the pivot with the help of years. Okay. So year, and I just want to name it total sale. Total sale. Okay. And it's saying what is your expression. Expression is sum x, and your, if I'm just passing my table name, okay, if I'm just passing my table name, okay, sum x, and uh, order, and table name sales, it will throw an error. Okay, it will throw an error, and it will say you have to pass the current group. It's saying that you have to pass the current group. So just pass the current group and then do. Okay, so now see 2012, 2011, 2011, 2012, 2013, and 2014. All the, just sort it. Okay, just sort it. 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, with the help of group by dex function, you can also do the group by with the help of dex function. Okay, so with the so here uh, the sale in 2011 is 69639245. Okay, so just remember this values. Overall sale is 3.59 million. Okay, I'm just taking a slicer. I'm just taking a slicer here. See, this is the slicer, and taking the year in slicer. Okay, in 2011, 639.25. 639.25, 639.25. See, six. It is in millions, and it's in something else. Okay, so value is same. Value is same. 639.25. If I'm saying it's for 2012. Okay, for 2012, 762. See, 2012 762.72. 762.72K. Got it? So this is how your group by function is working with the help of DEX. You see that you see the group by with the help of your Power Query editor. Okay, so with the help of DEX, you can also do the uh,
Sir,
group by function. Okay, yeah,
sir, what is the
yeah, Mega.
current group? Current group, current group. Is there any column in
Actually,
our?
yeah, no. Actually, it's a measure. Okay, we are using a measure here. Okay, so whenever you are using any measure, it will reflect a single column in single value. It will reflect a single value, but you have to create a table. So all the values coming, they are creating a group with the help of all those values. So we are using the current group here. Okay, just remember the syntax, otherwise it will not work. Okay, just remember the syntax with the when you're doing sumx and then current group. If you're not passing the current group, it will reflect the error that you have to use the current group. Okay,
Sir, current group means if we want to create a table, then we use current group, right?
right. Okay,
That's
now, so it was your group by sales by year. It was your group by. Now suppose that there is one or two more functions. Okay, here, hope I did not, my order table is not modified. It's modified, I think. No, I create new name. Okay, okay. The name was sales by year, right? It was the name sales by year. Remember, it was the name. So now one more thing, the calculate. Earlier the calculate was not working. I don't know why calculate was not working. So suppose that you just want to calculate something. If I'm saying what is the sale in 2012, okay. So in 2012, 762.72, this was the sale. Now suppose that I just want to calculate. New measure, go to the new measure. It's sale in 2012. I think it's so calculate, okay, calculate, and it's showing expression. So I just want to do sum and cells, okay, and here I just want to filter something, filter in year, order year equals to 2000. Okay, so its name is sale in 2012 new, sale in 2012 new, sale in 2012. I think the 2012 new, this should be just renaming sale in 2012. Take a card and find it. Sale in 2012 new. See, 762.72K sell in 2012, 762.72K sell in 2012. Okay, with the help of calculate function, I find the sale in 2012. Got it? Any question?
Yes. Yes. Got it.
Yeah. So, so these were your okay, mostly used DAX functions. Okay, so there are two and three more, not two and three more, max and min. Okay, if you just want to know what is your max value and what is your min value, you can use your max and min also. Suppose that if I'm saying I have a column named sale. Okay, I have a column named sale, and I'm just descending it. Okay, 699.8.64. Okay, so I'm just going to quick measure and I just want to know min sale. Okay, so min and column name is my column name is sale. Okay, see min sale. Okay, min sale. Just removing it, just creating some space here. Okay, so 2.88, this is min. Okay, go to the table, go to the sale, go to the sale, and it says make it ascending. 2.88, this is the minimum value, and it's showing the minimum value here. If you just want to know the what is the maximum value, you can do the same with the maximum value also. So what we do, see, so it was min, max, your calculate, group by, your group by, min, max, calculate, group by, it was average,
Related.
related. Okay, min, max, calculate, group by, average, related. And, count, min, max, calculate, group by, average, related, count, filter, filter.
Yes.
So if I'm saying I just want to filter something, okay, I just want to filter some data, okay, I just want to filter some data. So if I'm filtering data, I will have table, okay. If I'm saying I just want data of 2012, I just want data of 2012. So there will be a table, okay. There will be a table. So this is the order and 2012 data, okay. So right filter, and it's saying filter table. I just want filter table from orders, okay, and years, year equal to 2012, okay. See, this is your filter, this is your filter, and it has the data of only 2012. Got it?
Yes. Got it.
But that
Yeah.
filter function is also visible at every column, na? Right hand side of every column. That is same, na?
Filter function
Hello.
is available means, yeah.
Sir, at every column, on the right side, on the right side of column name, there is a filter function. Na? If we press, there is a triangular sign. Is a filter function. Na?
This is drop down. We called it drop down, right?
Okay, drop
Yeah, we
down.
Yeah.
can do
This is the
filter
grid.
here
This is
also
the drop
using
down.
a DAX
No, no,
function.
no. No, no, you can filter the data. I can understand. You can filter the data, but it will have all other data also. But in this data, this is a table. This is a separate table. And if you are filtering data in, if I'm saying, suppose that this is order, okay. In order, go to the year and just uncheck all and check 2012. Okay. So you are saying
Yes,
this is your data, right?
yes,
this
yes.
this
This is
you want to work on this data, okay. Now you
yes.
have to copy and paste this data, or or this is the same table, but this is the same table. If I'm saying This is not a different table. The table is same, means you are not taking any backup. I just want
Mhm.
a
Yes.
data. I just extract some data. You just want to extract some data. You are not
Okay.
extracting here. You are just filtering here. In that formula, you are filtering and extracting both. Okay.
Sir, that DAX function will create the separate table for 2012.
Yes, yes, yes. 2012. This is the separate data. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, this is a table. This is a table. 2012 data filter orders here equals to 2012, and this is the data. This is the data. Got it?
Okay. Got it. Got
Under
it.
order, we have all the years data. This is separately created using filter function 2012 data.
Yes.
Right, right. Whatever you just want, it's not only limited to your year. You can choose any column, any value. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
got it? Yeah. So
Suppose
these are some
if
main
we
functions. Yeah, yeah.
uncle, if we
Just
suppose if we had few more rows, so will it reflect on this? I mean, in Excel, we will going to add, okay, this is the data uploaded from Excel, right? So how it will
Mhm.
reflect? So if we had a few more rows to the Excel, but here it is, will it reflect?
I didn't get your question.
No, suppose if we are not, if we want to add a few more rows, okay, in Excel,
You
so
want
we
to
have
add
added.
you yeah you if you are adding some rows in Excel, okay, in your
Okay,
in that
original
data,
Excel.
suppose that yeah, if you are adding some data in your original Excel, you
Uh,
just have to refresh here. Okay, if you are refreshing your data, okay, the whole Excel and your Power BI will refresh, and the whole data will reflect here now.
okay,
You
fine.
have to refresh them. Okay,
Okay,
whenever you are once the connection is made, you don't need to upload again and again. Okay, you just need to refresh.
okay, okay, got it.
Yeah, so
So we don't need to
so
run the code which is uploading the data from the Excel, correct?
right, you just
Any
don't
changes
need to.
made to the Excel file will be reflected here
Yeah,
also.
it will reflect here. If you are changing anything, means a connection has been created between your Power BI and your Excel data. Okay, so
Okay.
whenever,
So
so
this is
this is
different from
this is
Python
this
that
is
way.
used, yeah, right. Yeah, means if it's not available, okay, if it's not available, so what is the use of Power BI? Why Power BI is using, why people are using Power BI? This is a very it has very important use case. If you have a dashboard and the uh, uh, data is changing or updating in every 15 minutes, or on hourly basis, or on 6 hours basis. Okay, so what will we do? You have to upload every time. Okay, but this is the functionality of Power BI, that the data can be refreshed, or you can automate those things, so that your dashboard can uh, change whenever your data is changing, whenever your base data is changing. Okay, this facility is available in your Power BI. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay,
in big
fine.
MNCs, they are using Power BI for dashboarding, and they are, means for the very big data, not for the small data. They are using it for the very big data, and and it has very good performance. Okay. So now it was your all the DAX function and Power BI use case and everything. Now I'm saying min max, calculate, average, related, count, filter. Yes, one more thing. Suppose that if I'm saying when people have profit, when people have profit, when the value of profit, if I'm saying profit is greater than zero, okay, so there is profit, right? But if but if profit But if profit is less than 0, then there is loss. Is a statement is correct?
Yes.
If you are doing some profit, you will have some positive numbers. If you're not doing profit, you will have negative number, and that is loss. Okay, so if I'm saying I just want to know whether I overall I have profit or loss, means I was in profit or in loss. If I have to calculate, I just want to know whether it was a profit or a loss. Okay, so it's a condition. So again I will go in a new measure. Okay, again I will go in a new measure. You can click here, okay, to expand this. You can click here to expand this. Suppose that I just want profit or loss. I just want profit or loss. I don't know it's available. Suppose I just want a profit or loss. Now I'm taking a variable x, and it's saying sum of profit. Sum of profit. Okay. There is variable y, and it's saying if logic my variable x is greater than 0, then there is profit, else there is loss. Okay, and then return y. Okay, see, this is your variable x, this is your variable y, this is return, and shift enter means whenever you just want to, if you are just entering, it will break. Okay, you can shift enter to write code like this. Okay, just there is a measure profit or loss. Okay, now insert any card, insert any card, insert any insert a card, right? Anywhere, and to this is here. It's saying profit. Okay, means if if I'm adding all the numbers available in column profit, it should be greater than 0, right? So go to the new measure, go to the sum and new measure. Go to the sum and new measure. Just adding numbers and saying sum of my profit. Okay, this is sum of profit. Now see, this is your positive number 643.06k. That's why it's coming profit. If it was below 0, less than 0, then the heading will be loss. Just in case, means just to show it's working, I'm changing the logic. Okay, just to show, where is it? Profit oblique loss. Just I'm saying if x is less than 0. Okay, see, it's showing loss. Got it? Any confusion?
No.
This is simple. Whatever you are doing in Excel, if condition, this is the same if condition. There is some clause that you have to use variable x, variable y, and you have to return it. Okay, it can be very complicated also. Means you can use for very complex calculations also. Okay,
Okay, please show the
so
profit column of dataset.
yes, this is your profit column.
Sir, but this
There are
profit
some,
column, the whole column is in positive. Oh, have a negative values too.
yeah, there are some negative value, there are some positive values, but overall,
Okay.
this is the
Overall
positive.
is
That's overall it's positive, and that's why
overall
they are
positive.
having profit. Okay, overall is positive. That's why they are having profit. Okay,
Sir, how we calculate the overall is positive? Because in the
some
DAX language,
some some
some
query
okay,
using
some
some
function
query.
is okay.
Yeah,
Okay, some function is okay.
yeah.
But what's the benefit of writing the variable x is less than 0 or greater than 0? What's
No,
the
means it's just for your information. Sometimes you have to create a logical expression. Okay, so this is how your logical expression is working.
no, sir,
Means
मतलब, ये
it-
the data, the DAX language you are using here, the variable considering the variable x. So there is no use of this DAX language in this data set, right?
no, why
Right.
no use? Means
Variable,
yeah, means if
variable
you,
y.
yeah,
There is no
yeah,
use of
you,
variable.
yes, it means if you don't want to use variable, you can you don't use variable. You can directly use, you can directly use. 1 minute. If I'm saying I just want to make a new measure, okay, and you can directly use, don't do anything, measure, okay, suppose that this is measure 3, and see here, if and your logical
Um,
sum of profit, sum of
order profit.
yeah, order profit, okay, sum of order profit is greater than 0, okay,
Hmm.
I have profit, else I have loss. Okay, your measure 3, okay, you don't need to use variable, means you can use variable. Okay, sometimes if you have so many things and you just want to make a small
Like
calculation
somebody
or
asked us to
make it,
tell us whether
yeah,
we have loss. Since there is no separate column
yeah,
for loss, we can use profit column to find out losses also.
right, yeah. Means this is the function people are using for so many calculations. Okay, so it's just only for that. If you just want to know now, if I'm adding a card here, okay, and it was the name was measure 3, okay, see, it's saying profit. Why it's saying profit? Because the condition is greater than, if sum of order profit is greater than 0, we are having profit, otherwise we are having loss, so we are in profit. So simple.
Okay.
It's possible that people are in loss. Sometimes you got the data and they are saying that we are in loss. Okay, at that time this will be very useful. You can with the help of this function you can say that the overall the company is in profit, otherwise you will say the overall the company is in loss. Got it?
हाँ ये ठीक है. Okay, sir.
है ना? So both way you can uh, you can do this, you can do the calculation in so many ways. Okay, so this is your if function, so adding is if function. Okay, so this is enough for your uh, all the DAX function. Means so whatever the DAX function is available, mostly I just cover all, not all the DAX function, but most of the important DAX function I cover. So now suppose that there are a few more things. go to the transform data. Okay, go to the just transform data. In transform data, I have orders. Okay, now sometimes you just need to split your column. Suppose that I have ship mode and I just want to split it. It's not means it's not required. Okay, but if someone has to split it, you can use by delimiter. Okay, you can use by delimiter. There is split column. Use the space. Okay, each occurrence of the delimiter. Put character none means whatever means in Excel, whatever you are doing in Excel, you can use it here also to separate a column in two columns. Okay, I'm not uh, extracting the columns here, but you can use the delimiter. Okay, to split the columns if required. Sometimes it's required, so at that time you can do. Okay, replace values. Suppose that you just want to replace some values. Suppose that I just want to replace class from something else. So go to there. Okay, replace value, just want to class and replace with something else, classes or something, whatever you just want to, it will replace. Okay, but it's not showing. Now it will work on the whole, should work. Okay, it was this small, I put this small. I wish to find class replace with classes. Okay, replace one value with another in selected columns. Okay, these are ones value also class with classes. See, class with classes. Okay, so you can use replace value also to if you just want to replace some values with some other value you can use. Okay, now come to the most important part, that is your dashboard. How to create a dashboard. I'm not just applying it.
একটু পরে খাবো পরে মানে কটায় নটায় তো কল করে দেবো খেতে না তাহলে দিয়ে দাও চিলি চিকেনের চাউমিনটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি হ্যাঁ আমার পুরোটা হবে না ওটা বাজবে না কম পড়বে কি জানি না কম পড়বে না
So coming to the dashboard, for the dashboard we have to beautify the things. Okay, not it's not I'm not saying that uh, all the calculation whatever you are doing, that is okay, means you have to use those things here. Okay, but after that, when you are just putting all your visualization in one report page, it's just page, this page is called report, in one report, at that time you just have to beautify your result. I'm showing some things for that. So use bar column, and if I'm saying sales by year. Okay, sales by year. X-axis, Y-axis. See, whatever the sale is happening here is showing here. Okay, now what is the overall sale? Overall, what was the overall sale? I'm taking some cards. Okay. I'm saying overall sales. In one overall profit. Okay, in one overall sale. Okay, now I want region wise a slicer also. I just want a slicer. I want a slicer also and want to put the year. You can change this visualization also. Means it's not always like this. You can change this visualization. Go to there, okay, and slicer setting between two time. Okay, if you just want to change your visualization, you can do like this. Okay, few more things. Now, one more color. If I just want a smaller, make it is. Now suppose that I just want reason wise, year wise cell. I just want my reason wise. Okay, this is a reason wise cell. This is my reason wise cell. No, I just want reason wise profit as well. Where is the profit? I have profit also. Reason wise. Okay. Changing. And just it's just only for how you can modify your charts. Okay, it's just only for that. Okay, I just want one more card. Count of it. Count of return. Okay, this is your count of return. What chart I want to start. And in this chart, I want the country wise. See, I have country, moving release reason, and sum of sale. Sum of sale. Now, see, this chart is too big to show here. Okay, so I'm just want to know what is my top 10. Okay, so this is my country. Okay, going to the top and top 10, and what I'm showing, I just want to sale. Just want to know sale and apply filter. This is only top 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Australia, China, India, Indonesia, Philippines, New Zealand, Japan, Bangladesh, Thailand, and Vietnam. Okay, so your top 10 is showing here. Now suppose that all the charts has been completed. Okay, I just want to beautify this. Go to the here. Okay, canvas background is white, make it black, make transparent 0, it's now black. Okay, and make it also black. X-axis, go to the data labels, select the data labels for every data labels should be available. Okay, now I just want to remove the grid lines. This is the grid lines. I will see. Okay, now in x-axis, y-axis, data label, go to the general, go to the effect, background is black, okay, and values. Go to the values, x-axis values, make it white, okay, y-axis, go to the values, make it white, okay. Let's show only one. Okay, and values of data labels. Data labels, value, make it white. Okay, showing a white. Now, if you are just modifying one, okay, just click it, format painter, click on everyone's. Format painter, click on it. Okay, so you have modified in one go, you modified 4. Okay, so still there is no border. Okay, still there is no border. So go to the social border. See, go to the general, go to the effect, background, visual border, the border available. No. Go to the general, effects, background, visual border. It should be white. Not showing. Now click here, format painter, showing border, format painter, showing border, showing border. Okay, this has been modified. Almost this has been modified. If you just want to modify this color also, you can also modify this color. I'll just guide for that also. Go to this. Now in visual, if you just want to keep the color white, keep the color white, and you have to change the background. Background should be black. Okay, values should be white. For visual and category label should be white. Okay, border, I think border is still missing. Border should be white. Now format painter, this format painter, this. Okay, your dashboard is ready. Almost your dashboard is ready. Now this one. Okay, go to the visualization, same, go to the general, go to the effect, background should be black, background is black. Okay, visual border color, just turn it on. Go to the visual, slicer setting, style, okay, selection header, that is header, this is your text, This is a border. No, this is I don't want values. Should be white. Okay. Go to general. Go to the effect, background, visual color, effect, properties. No, tile. Not shadow. Should be white. Title. Okay, I'm just making it black. Values was your, there was a value.
Background you can select a black, no? So white will visible.
Hmm? No, no, not doing that thing. Here, values in values should be black. Okay, and background color. Yes. Okay, and my text should be white. Whatever. 1 minute. I will change that text also. 2011-12. Slicer header values. Background border values. This is black. This is white. Okay, and font size a bit bigger. Yeah, 20. Okay, so this is how you can change your color. Okay, your dashboard is ready. Okay, Miss, this is just how you just want to combine all those things. If you just want to change the color of this also, you can change. Suppose that you just want to change the color of this, select it, go to there, okay, and vertical to lines. Suppose that you just want to change the color of, so not in x-axis, in axis, columns, okay, go to the columns, show all, okay. If you just want to change 2011, I just want to change all, okay, whatever color you just want, okay, create it like this. Okay, you can change the column bar as well. So this was the whole process, and this was the whole Power BI. Got it? Any question? Any question?
No, no.
You have border everywhere. Okay, I will share. I will share this whole thing with you guys. Who dropped?